This is a 5000 BTU Whirlpool air conditioner. Not sure what year it's from, but if you're thinking that this looks like an LG Gold Star air conditioner, you would be correct. I have a 5250 BTU Kenmore LG Gold Star air conditioner right here, and this one, I got another 5000 BTU Whirlpool air conditioner right there. That one was actually manufactured by Whirlpool in 2002. Has a Ricci Precision compressor and a 3-speed fan motor. And it's got the 2 output vents. Yeah, that one looks totally different from this one. This one has a 2-speed fan motor and the LG style case. Is branded Whirlpool on the back, and the condenser isn't too bad. That's the worst part of it right there. Take a look inside at the blower wheel, and it looks exactly the same as it does inside this 5250 BTU Kenmore, which was also made by LG. This one has a 2-speed fan motor. The side of the unit looks like it's got that same little slot. That's what the top of the Kenmore looks like, and the top of the Whirlpool looks exactly the same. Probably noticed that these are on backwards. This is how they're supposed to be. This Kenmore unit has an LG branded compressor in it, whereas this one has a Matsushita compressor in it. Now, I don't know exactly what year this is from. I assume it's newer than that one, which is from 2002. And take a look at the fan motor. I think the brand on it is, let's see, what is it? It's Sung. And it says 1309 on it. So I don't know if that's a date code or what that is, but I guess it could be from 2009. I was thinking it was older than that, but I don't know. So let me take the filter cover off. Filter's pretty clean. This unit was taken care of. The evaporator looks pretty much perfect. This air conditioner has R22 refrigerant, 7.8 ounces of it, and it looks like high side is 350 psi, and the low side is, what is that, kind of went blurry, 150 psi. It's rated at 4.8 amps and 515 watts. It's kind of hard to see the model number, but sort of got it right there. Yeah, there's a model number at the top there. And the serial number. So if anyone knows the date or has a rough idea what the date is for this air conditioner, let me know, because I would think 2009 would be a little too new for R22 refrigerant, but I don't know for sure. And of course it doesn't have a GFCI plug on it, so I don't know what year this is from, but it'll start it up on fan only. I'm actually gonna turn the dehumidifier off for now, just so you can hear this. Alright, let's start with the fan only. It's very quiet. I think it runs on high when it's on fan only. Good airflow through there, so it can't be too dirty. And we are at 0.39 amps, 48 watts. Power factor is perfect. Alright, see if the compressor starts. Yep. sounds real good. We're at 2.86 amps, 324 watts. It's already starting to get cold. It's up to high. Pretty low power draw. Just getting warm. I'm gonna let it run for a while. That's what the back of the 2002 Whirlpool looks like. Coil isn't really that bad. It was pretty bent when I got it, but I used a fin comb to straighten them out as best as I could. As you can see, that one's got the logo on the bottom. I just put the panels on correctly, so they're actually facing the right direction now. It's been running for a while, blowing nice cold air. And we're at 3.58 amps, 416 watts. This thing runs great. I just turned it on high and the current actually went down because the head pressure dropped. Yeah, I'll be taking this apart and cleaning it. I don't know, probably tomorrow or the next day. Guess I could have waited to do the side panels for when I took it apart, but oh well. But yeah, that's the Whirlpool 5000 BTU air conditioner made by LG.